Blessings and shalom, everyone, and welcome back to our Puppy Chronicles. Welcoming to the world our new litter with Mrs. Shema and Obadiah. And of course, she absolutely had to have them in the tiniest space. But fortunately, this beautiful Malinois X trusts me so much to get to come out and visit her beautiful little babies. We come out and check her daily and observe her behavior, and she lets us know when it's time to move. As I sit and get to observe this beautiful gift of life, I start checking out the sexes of the puppies and enjoying Yahuwah's beautiful creation. Mom lets me know in her own way that I am disturbing her newborn sleep cycle and to be a little more gentle. I'll sit back and get to enjoy looking at these beautiful beauties, thinking about the perfect move-out plan, since there are quite a few. As I notice some of them have little dirt on their faces, that tells me move-out time is soon. But this isn't Shema's first rodeo, so